Good evening. My name is Nanayao Ifa, and today I'll be talking about a particular issue that's going on in ageism, which is hearing loss among older adults. And this picture shows a pros and cons, about hearing loss that most adult faces. So for the pros and cons, this picture depicts or shows an elderly man showing the world that he have a hearing, problem, due to, people discriminating against him, and you can tell, he has his hands by his ears saying that, hey, please hear me out because of me having a problem with me hearing. And the cons is people discriminating this own man or people with hearing disability by having like having difficulty understanding them in public, and then especially people having difficulty understanding them in um, large set of rooms due to hearing loss. Thank you.